Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to limit the scroll area of a worksheet so users don't get lost scrolling into millions of blank rows and columns. This locks the view strictly to your active data grid, making your spreadsheets feel like a professional, custom application dashboard. First, open your spreadsheet and identify the exact coordinate range of your active data, for example, A1 through M50. Look at the very bottom left corner of your Excel window, right-click on the active sheet tab name, and select View Code from the pop-up menu. The Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window will instantly pop up over your workspace. Don't panic, you do not need to write a single line of code to use this built-in Properties panel. Look at the left-hand sidebar for a small window labeled Properties. If you do not see the Properties panel anywhere on your screen, press F4 on your keyboard to instantly force it to appear. Scroll down through the alphabetical list of properties until you find the field explicitly labeled Scroll Area. Click into the empty input box right next to the word Scroll Area and type your exact cell boundaries, A1:M50. Close the VBA window by clicking the red X in the top right corner to return straight to your standard Excel sheet. Try scrolling down past row 50 or dragging your mouse past column M. Excel will completely freeze your movement at the boundary line, keeping your user's focus 100,000% locked on your dashboard grid. And that's it. Your user navigation is now completely locked down and secure. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.